wanting to do a website in some way increase our sales for a long time, but I just didn't know how to get started. We've talked about it a lot, but this was like the perfect opportunity and perfect way for us to figure out and to get started. Something I've always wanted to do, but I didn't know how.
We get questioned about it more, like when we're out in the community, like, hey, I saw your website, or I saw this, or I saw your post that leads you to this. And so I think that's given us more exposure that way.
And the same, like somebody that was in our old neighborhood, they seen, I heard you guys were selling beef. I want to buy some. She didn't want to place an order through the website, but she wants to buy some from us. So if we wouldn't have the website, she wouldn't have contacted us. So it's been good that way.
I think it's been great. Our questions haven't been answered. There's been follow-up. Meetings have been set, like we know what's coming. Was very organized, helped us know what to do, where to go, that kind of thing. I loved what you guys did. It was easy. It's easy to reach out. Communication's great.
I feel the same. It's been great because, like I said, I've had this idea for a long time, but just didn't know how to start it. And then the other thing is I'm a slow thinker. I got to think about it, make sure everything's right before I dare do it. You guys kind of pushed us. Well, let's go live. And I'm just like, oh no, I don't know if we should do this. But it's been great because that kind of pushed us. And so we made the connection between an idea and actually making it happen. So it's been awesome.